guys, so today I'm going to show you how we can make install seed installer to be invoked with administrator account only, right? So let's assume that I have a release, and for that release, if I just build it, and go to the folder, then I'm able to see this installer file. By invoking this installer file, I will be able to install my application on any machine, right? On a specific machine, right? So whenever I double click on this installer, administrative permission pop-up will open and ask for the permission, like whether I would like to continue with this installation or not. So if you want to get that pop-up which will ask you to open this file as an admin access, then what do you need to do? I will tell you this thing. So first of all, let me go to this setup.exe in the release, and here is a one field which is required execution level. If I keep this value as an administrator, then I will be able to open that installer file as an admin after double click, right? And one more feature of this in setting is that I will be able to see the icon of install sheet with and shield type of icon. You can see that the icon of this exe is the install sheet icon plus the shield icon. So shield icon comes because of this administrator value. In case I change it to invoker, then I will not be able to see that shield icon, and I also will not be prompt to install that application or installer application through the administrative access. So let's see it. Now I have built it. You can see that there is no any shield type icon, and if I double click on this file, I will not be prompt with an administrative access consent icon pop, right? So this is the difference between opening the file with the administrative account or not. Now what is the use of opening with administrative? Sometimes you know that we use few DLLs which write some file on the folder in the C drive or install dir, for which that file writing process need access of that folder as an admin access, right? So for that cause, we prefer to invoke the installer file as an admin, so that whenever application get installed, it gets installed with the in admin access on that folder, so that any logging or anything else which we are gonna do with that folder or file, we can do with proper access. If we do not do this with admin access, then we my software may gonna raise any error or may not gonna work properly. So that's the reason I'm just prefer to set with administrative accounts. I will just test this, what is the value, what is the impact of highest available, because I haven't seen it. So this is also my try. So let's try it. Now let me see. So with highest available, I think this would be always administrative. And if I just check the value of or impact of highest one, let me check what is the highest. Setup.exe prefers administrative privileges. Administrators must authorize no running it without administrative privileges. So basically, no administrator must authenticate as an administrator. So there is a difference between administrator and highest available. So you can read that So I will just prefer not to use any kind of value other than other than administrator, right? So use this value always. This will make your application proper access on that installed dir folder, and this way your application not gonna crack anywhere, right? So that's it from my side. Thank you, team.